And we're back to learning JavaScript. I'm going to give you an intro to ReGex. This is usually a sequence and that is used to search a pattern. What does that mean? We can, for example, define a variable with a text, and then we can search through that text using ReGex. So if you wanted to find out if a certain word is in a text or a certain letter, you can use these regular expressions. And we're going to build upon this very simple example. Let me just call this found, and then I use the text, so our sentence here, and I search through it with the search method. And inside, let us, for example, search for the word is. And now we print it out using document.write, and we print out the found variable. And this gives us now the number 2. And why is that? Well, number 1 is it has found the is word, but it's actually right here in this. So the first instance where it appears will determine the number that we get, and the number is simply the index. N will give us 8, because A starts in index position 8 of the text sentence. We write ReGex, and this is 35 right here at the end. And this is the basic principle of using regular expressions. You can use that not just for text, you can use it for names, for passwords, which is one of the most used cases. And we're going to build upon this simple example in the next tutorials. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.